Top 5 Reason How CNC Machine Shapes the Future. 1. Increased precision and efficiency. CNC machines are capable of incredibly precise and accurate movements, which allows for the production of complex and intricate parts. This level of precision helps improve the quality of products and reduces waste, leading to increased efficiency in manufacturing processes. 2. Automation and productivity. CNC machines automate the manufacturing process, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing productivity. They can run continuously and consistently, delivering high-quality products at a faster rate than traditional methods. 3. Cost-effective manufacturing. CNC machines have the ability to produce large quantities of products at a lower cost compared to manual labor-intensive processes. This cost-effectiveness benefits both manufacturers and consumers, making products more affordable and accessible. 4. Flexibility and customization. CNC machines offer flexibility in production, allowing for quick reprogramming and changes in design specifications. This enables manufacturers to easily adapt to market demands and produce customized products efficiently, opening up new opportunities for innovative. The ongoing development of CNC machines is shaping the future of manufacturing by driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. 5. Industry advancements and innovation. CNC technology continues to evolve, enabling the production of more complex and sophisticated products. It has paved the way for advancements such as 3D printing and multi-axis machining, opening up new possibilities in various industries, including aerospace. Overall, CNC machines play a crucial role in shaping the future of manufacturing by offering increased precision, automation, productivity, cost reduction, flexibility, customization, and improved safety. Thank you for watching.